Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 24th June and today's video topic is it is a technical topic and topic name is version of Java. First of all, introduction of Java. Java is a widely used programming language designed to simple, secure and platform independent, created by Sun Microsystems and now is owned by the Oracle. Java has significantly influenced the field of software development since in introduction in 1995 they easy explore the evolution of the Java, its the futures and impact of technology. Now there are different version of the Java. Now discuss various version of Java. In 1901 to 95, Java convinced by the James Gosling and his team, known as a Green Team at Sun Microsystems in 1991. The initial goal was to develop a language for digital device like set-top boxes, television. This project owned by after they developed the language of the Java. The first name of the Java is Oak and now they converted into Java. The first version of the Java is 1995 was renamed into first name in Java and renamed into first name is Oak and renamed into the Java. In 1995 is the first version of the Java. And second version of the Java is 1998, also known as a J2SE, and make a significant milestone with the introduction of the there are various features, showing a new graphical user interface to provide a more flexible and powerful way to create a desktop application. In Java 5 developed in 2004, Java 5 also known as J2SE 5 introduces several major enhancements. Generics they are allowed to develop with the right more flexible and type safe code to generalizing classes and method in they introduced in Java 5. Java 6 developed in introduced in 2006. Java focus and platform improvement and introduce scripting and support allow a Java application to run a script within other language such as JavaScript. Java 7 will be introduced in 2011, brought us several language enhancement and new feature. Try with the resources, simplified resource management by automatically closing resources like files and socket. Java 8 in 2014. Java 8 is also one of the most influenced release introducing Lambda function and expression enhanced function programming by allowing the expression of anonymous function. Java 9 2017, Java 9 introduced and Java Platform Module System JPMS, also known as a Project Jigsaw. Java 10 in 2018, Java 10 features like local variable, type of influence, simplified variable declaration with the var keyword, allowing the compiler input and type of the variable based on the assigned value. Java 11 also long term of support release and writing features such as Java 12 to Java 16 in 1921. This is a version of introducing various increment, improvement and new feature including Java 17 other in 2021 latest release and support and stability enterprise application introduced. There are continuously Java version will be updated. Java continue also evolve new features and enhancement such as new release aim to improvement platform security and developer productivity. The rapid release introduced Oracle ensure that Java remains relevant and up to date with the latest technology and advancement. And and they continuously develop, and new version will be add on the Java. This is all about the Java version, and thank you.